Beneath this barren patch of earth, a silent crisis unfolds. Lifeless soil, no nutrients, no worms, nothing grows. The hidden world of microorganisms and invertebrates has gone quiet. But even in desolation, life can return. Nature's solutions aren't found in chemicals, but in living things. 5 powerful plants can revive even the most exhausted ground. These pioneers transform sterile dirt into thriving ecosystems. Let's begin with a plant of extraordinary generosity. Meet Comfrey, a vigorous healer. Its deep roots mine nutrients, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, from far below. These minerals concentrate in its leaves, which you can chop and drop to feed the soil. The leaves decompose quickly, releasing nutrients and attracting earthworms. Comfrey acts as a biological pump, restoring lost fertility. Its mulch feeds microbes and rebuilds soil structure. One plant, endless renewal. Next, Clover, the humble nitrogen fixer. Its roots host rhizobia bacteria, which capture nitrogen from the air and convert it into plant food. This symbiosis enriches the soil naturally. When clover dies or is tilled in, it releases nitrogen for future crops. It weaves fertility from thin air, preparing the ground for more life. For depleted soil, clover is a gift. It's nature's sustainable fertilizer. For compacted soil, daikon radish is the earthbreaker. Its powerful taproot drills deep, shattering hard layers, and creating channels for air and water. These tunnels invite earthworms and help roots of future plants reach deeper. When the radish decomposes, it leaves behind organic matter and open pathways. This natural plow improves drainage and soil structure. Daikon transforms hard ground into fertile earth. It's the ultimate soil renovator. Now, the community builders. Legumes like beans and peas. They fix nitrogen with rhizobia, steadily enriching the soil. Their roots form a web, feeding soil microbes and unlocking nutrients. After harvest, their remains become green manure, boosting organic matter. Legumes improve water retention and soil tilth. Planting them is an investment in future fertility. They build a legacy for the next generation of crops. Finally, the sunflower, a towering healer. Its deep roots break up soil and draw out toxins, acting as a living filter. Above ground, it attracts pollinators and beneficial insects. When the season ends, its stalks add carbon to compost and seeds feed birds. Sunflowers purify, beautify, and support the garden ecosystem. They heal soil and nurture life above and below, a true giant in restoration. These 5 plants, Comfrey, clover, daikon, legumes, sunflower, work together in a symphony of renewal. They improve drainage, feed microbes, add nutrients, and rebuild structure. Nature's soil doctors cost almost nothing. By planting them, we let the earth heal itself. Start with just one, and watch your soil transform. Let nature do the heavy lifting. Observe, learn, and join the restoration. Like, subscribe, and drop a sprout emoji if you're ready to revive your soil naturally.